speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Looking at Banta bubbles, all coins look so great. Everything is in green. Does it mean that we are gonna be looking at more upside with these altcoins, such as Solana, Ordi Coin, Ethereum, Bitcoin? Are we gonna see most of these altcoins that we talk about on this platform, make higher highs? Is this gonna be something we're gonna see? Because when we look at the chart of Bitcoin, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is actually doing great, right? Bitcoin went right up towards $44,000, and Bitcoin is retracing back. But guys, if you go to my Twitter, you'll realize that I've tweeted about this a couple of times about like what Bitcoin can do. If you haven't yet follow me on Twitter, go and follow me. I've gotten some new followers already. Thanks for following me on Twitter. But you can see I pulled this chart here. This is kind of like, I see Bitcoin only go up from here to grab the liquidity at 41,000, 42,000 or 4,300 before we can either say 35k or 50k, right? So I've been talking about this already before. That was I think on the 28th. Right now we are today is Tuesday the 30th, right? So you want to follow me on Twitter. I tweet every now and then what is going on in the market, what I think might happen with Bitcoin, and in relation to that, other altcoins can get the same impact, right? Bitcoin actually leads the market, as I always mention. So I want us to go, look at areas where we can take out profit. If say you don't take out profit, guys, you are not actually doing the right thing for yourself. So today we're gonna just analyze the market and look at possible ways we can take out profit. And this is gonna be one of my best strategy to take out profit. Looking at Bitcoin and trading other altcoins out there. We have seen this pump, and we have to, be ready at one point for a retracement back to certain levels. So we ought to be prepared for that to happen, or if that have to happen. So you say you're new here, this is QNT Crypto, where I create content to help you make cap l'argent, money investing in cryptocurrency. And as I mentioned today, we're gonna go through the market and see what's going on there and which areas we can take out profit. So make sure you are subscribed and like this content. Liking this content is gonna take it a long way. It's a way to promote this platform, and you can also be part of my community. Join my Telegram group. The link is found below this video. There I share stuff now and then. If you want to be part of my VIP group as well, to see what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, when I'm taking out profit, then make sure you do just that as well. The links are found below this video. But let's dive right away to what is going on here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins out there. Now, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame, right? I'm gonna begin today with lower time frame because there's something I want to show you guys here. It's about market sessions, right? And this is a free indicator from Travel Chill community. Yeah, you can get this indicator, and basically what it does is it gives you different period in the market that there's high volume or high liquidity coming in the market, like both buy or sell, right? If we see here, you can like confirm that around these areas, like where there's high volume, you can see the one that put the green here. For like the ASA session, the UK session, the US session. These are the three sessions that we have, and these are the sessions that move the market. So when Asia is, up, UK is sleeping. When UK is up, Asia is sleeping. When UK is sleeping, US is up. I mean, in terms of business wise, right? So looking at all these sessions, it can help you to know when buyers or sellers or more liquidity is going to be in the market, and looking at what price have done in previous sessions, it can impact the next session. For example, you can see here that ever since yesterday, from the ASAN session, which price pointed like there was a low, before the ASAN session. Price started moving like during the ASAN session, and price tried to break this zone, like before. No, actually, the price made high like the Asian session high, right? And this was the Asian session high, and this was the Asian session low before the sorry guys, it was the Asian session low before the UK session. And during the UK session, price tried to break the high of the Asian session. Price didn't succeed, and price made a way back towards the low before the Asian session. That's the weekend, I think, something like that. And during the US session, price bombed from this zone, right? The first I think the first hour something like that of the US section, we always see a lot of volatility in the market, and price bomb, and now I think that price is gonna play the same, do the same thing price did last time. Like price started here. I think during this session, we're gonna see price come right down. We're gonna see some, maybe not right down, but we're gonna see some sort of retracement for Bitcoin back to around $42,000, or let's say around $42,200. After that, maybe we can see price go back to the low, the Asian low last. I think that was last week, or no, that was at the beginning of this week. So we can see price go there. So these are the different scenarios where we can expect price to move. And the reason why I'm saying this is because looking at the lower time frame, price has broken structure. On like this is Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. Price has broken structure, and we have to look at this in on the higher time frame as well. Not only in this lower. We're going to look at this on the higher time frame, not only on the lower time frame. But where we are right now, we have seen that price have broken structure, and price is trading below the alpha trend. The alpha trend has printed a sell signal here, and after it printed a sell signal here, price tried to attempt to make higher highs. Price failed, and price have broken structure. So, looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool, let's see where we can expect some sort of retracement from the high there. Okay, price can come right down to around this area, around the golden pocket, which is 42,000, as I mentioned, during this live stream, or maybe when the market will open, the US market will open, and if this is going to be the case, we're going to see more altcoins, plunge downward. Now, if we go on the higher time frame, we can zoom out and see that even though we might see some short-term movement with Bitcoin on the lower time frame, but Bitcoin is going to either retrace back to 43,000. If Bitcoin holds above 43,000, that is going to be the value area high. Looking at the volume profile, then we can as well say that Bitcoin is still bullish. If Bitcoin is able to hold where it is right now on the 1 hour time frame, like before, let's see how this candle is gonna close. If this candle is gonna close above the alpha trend and the next candle start above the alpha trend, then we can say that maybe price can keep on going or favoring higher price, like to the upside. But I think that looking at what we might expect today, like I think there's some stuff gonna go on today. Let's see what we are expecting. Like what we might expect today is George's job openings. Yeah, George's job opening. These are news events that can impact the market, and this is gonna be at around 14 o'clock. That's 4 o'clock today. So this can impact the price of Bitcoin and other altcoins. And if say we have to see Bitcoin retrace, as I mentioned, I think we're gonna see a bounce back at the 2,338. I've put a buy signal there to buy Bitcoin, and this is the point of control. And I think if Bitcoin gets to that point of control, we're gonna see some sort of volatility there. Yeah, I'm sure about that, because that's an area of interest, and that's the area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal and also printed a buy signal. So that area is going to be the point of control, which it is the point of control. So these are the different scenarios, guys, that if say you see happen, with Bitcoin, then you can take out profit from altcoin. So let's say you want to take out profit from altcoin. This is what will happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will somehow do this, like Bitcoin have done this, and we have seen some other altcoins, plunge downward as well. But Bitcoin can do this, then do that, then come back down to that area. So it won't be something that is gonna happen like straight away. It might happen in ranges, and before Bitcoin get down, maybe before the US market is closed, right? But we want to see Bitcoin break this 43,500 zone. If Bitcoin is able to break that 3,500 zone, then we can favor higher price. But also we have a strong resistance at $44,000. If Bitcoin is able to break above $44,000, then I think, guys, we are gonna see a 46,000 Bitcoin, price. And is this possible? Of course, this is possible. But first, if Bitcoin is holding this range where Bitcoin is right now, then I'm gonna be as well bullish with other altcoins, because I think the altcoins that I'm talking about are still holding. We're gonna go right now to Solana to see what is going on with Solana right now. This is the 1 hour time frame for Solana, but let's look first at the daily time frame. Let's see what price is doing. Let's refresh this. Let's see. Actually, the alpha trend has pointed a buy signal. Yeah, I always take this serious. The alpha trend pointing buy signal on the daily time frame, to me, is always serious. Any any signal that I receive on the alpha trend from the daily time frame on the daily time frame, either be sell or buy signal, I take it serious, right? So let's look now at the 4 hours time frame to see where price is right now. This is a critical area, and what I want you guys to do, like for example, if say you must be in Solana right now, this is what you have to understand. We have seen price rejected this zone multiple times. So far as price is not able to break this area, for Solana, that's gonna be, if you see price above $108 for Solana, then we can see Solana now go and make higher highs. Yeah, we can see Solana go to make higher highs, or go back to the previous high at $125 or $126. Yeah, so that's the play here for Solana. But if say Solana is not able to go where it is right now, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what we should do if price reject this zone. Now, I think that like with Solana, it's even more easier to see where price can come, right? So if I pull the Feb right now, let me pull the Feb right now. So, or I can as well pull the volume profile first to give us a clue of what we might expect. So the first move here, I think, is going to be towards the value area high, which is going to be at $96.179. So that's the if say we're going to see some sort of movement with Solana, that's going to be the target. If not, then we might see price get back to the POC. Okay, and the POC is at $87. So from in between $87 and $96 is a buy for Solana. I'm gonna buy Solana at 96 and also at $87. For Solana. And the worst case scenario, we can see it, Solana go back to this low, which is at $78. I don't think Solana can go more downward. I think Solana is strong. There's high volume, high liquidity. But we want to see Solana, keep holding this zone, like this zone here. Solana should be in this zone, this $100 zone-ish area. So this is the area it has to be there. If it breaks, and then it has to hold the $96 price level. If not, then we might see some sort of reaction of price. Price can take Solana right down to $87, and this is in confluence with what is going to happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the alpha to give the signal. Of course, that if Bitcoin is not going to give a signal, then Solana won't be able to do anything. But now, looking at Ethereum is even more easier to say. The price of Ethereum looks actually, should I say bullish? But I'm not gonna say bullish because most altcoins have recovered, really drastically, but Solana haven't yet recovered. And why I say so is because we haven't seen Solana, go back to where the first sell signal was printed by the alpha trend. The alpha trend put the signal, the sell signal for Solana, and Solana haven't yet attempted to go. And we can see that there was a rejection here at this $2,335. So if we see Solana go above, like trade above this $2,335, then we want to go in, because the next target is going to be $2,455 for Solana. If you say price break, if price does this for Ethereum, if price does this for Ethereum, then price come back and hold this zone, or maybe price come back and hold this zone, but it should be above the 50-day moving average and the 800-day moving average on the daily time frame. If price is able to do that, hold that zone, then I think the next target is going to be back to around $2,455. So that's the target for Solana. Why am I keep saying Solana? For Ethereum, it's like I want to get as much Solana as possible. Now, looking at Ordi is one of my main coin guys. I trade Ordi on a daily basis. Because it's so close to Bitcoin, like so tied with Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is doing something great, Ordi is doing something awesome. If Bitcoin is doing something awesome, Ordi is doing something fantastic. So I love to use Ordi to print my Bitcoin. Now, what will happen with Ordi if say Bitcoin is gonna do what I mentioned in the on the TM? We're gonna see Ordi go right down to about $59, and if say Ordi is not able to hold the value area high, right? And this is gonna be around the 50-day moving average. And if Ordi is able to hold above the 50-day moving average, which is gonna be around the value area high, right? Then I think we're gonna see Ordi maybe go right up to $100, right? Yeah, we can see that happen, And if say Ordi is not able to hold the value area high, then we can see Ordi make its way to the POC at $58. And if it happens that there's gonna be a worst case scenario for Ordi, I think we can see Ordi this week go right down to $57. I don't think Ordi is gonna go and make lower lows and break this structure yet. I think Ordi is gonna hold structure. But whatever the case is, Ordi should hold this structure, and this structure is gonna be at $53.633. So this is gonna be an important area for Ordi. If Ordi is able to hold, not break and not break structure from this dip here, then we're gonna keep waiting for price to make higher highs. You can see price has been making higher highs and higher lows here. So from this move here, we expect price to retrace back to this area. This is what I teach always. If price breaks structure, price should always come and retest structure. Price should hold that structure for us to confirm the next move to the upside. I always say this, and I want you guys to not forget. It's very important. What else do we have here? What do we have? Quant. Let's check on Quant, QNT. This coin, guys, I've been buying Quant like every now and then. I think I'm gonna buy Quant now, guys. I'm not gonna buy Quant right now. I think like I've been taking every opportunity to buy Quant. I'm gonna tell you guys why I keep buying Quant now and then. I don't care what's gonna happen with Bitcoin right now. Like I've switched to Quant. I looking at the lowest price. Let me just buy it, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm doing this for Quant. It's very important you guys also understand what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Quant is one of those good projects out there that I think can actually make us good profit, right? Let's see, how many dollars do I have? I don't even have much dollars to buy Quant, guys. It's like I'm in many coins out there. Let's see which coin should I sell right now. Okay, wow, I've been down. I didn't know I'm down in most of this coin. I bought one coin Neon, and I'm down in that coin, but I have to sell this coin to buy Quant, because Quant is one of those projects that I think will make me so much profit. That's why I'm able to to pause this live somehow and go there to buy some Quant. I see that Quant is cheap, even though Quant has gone below the 50-day moving average. To me, it's cheap, and let me just see if I can get some right now. Okay, yeah, I got some Quant. Yeah, guys, if you look at the trend below for Quant, you're gonna see. Let's look at it on the 4-hour time frame. You're gonna see that the trend below haven't yet printed over like an overbought area, right? And if you look at the daily time frame for Quant, let me go and show you guys right now. Let me zoom this so you can see it properly. The trend below has printed. This is the daily time frame for Quant. It hasn't yet made its way, like from where it is right now. If it managed to make its way to the upside, to the over sold area, right, to the overbought area, then I think we are gonna be making massive profit here with Quant. You can see price. If price come below this oversold area, price will always go to overbought area. If price get to the oversold area, price always gonna go to the overbought area. So it moves like that in waves, and that's the same way it is on the chart. You can see the chart is not like just straight away. It moves, like that. So I think Quant is gonna be a good project, and this is gonna be a long-term play. If I see price dip again, I'm gonna buy more. And I think price can dip right down to $85. That was the previous low, during the bear market. So I think that's gonna be where price is gonna hold. That's or maybe price can come there to retest it. We can see that, but I think if price keep going there, I'm gonna keep buying more, and do what I do, to reduce my risk and then drive the price to the upside whenever price get to this bought area. So that's my play here for Quant. Right now, I won't say I have like a trade plan for Quant right now, but I can say to you guys right now that Quant is moving around this range. So for you to actually get into Quant, like any trade, Quant should break this zone, do this, come and hold this zone, and this is gonna be around, let's say around 112, $112. If Quan break $112, then we can say, okay, maybe we can see Quan go right up to $131. So that's my play with Quant. But overall, I think the market will retrace. I think we're gonna see lower prices with Bitcoin, and because we don't see lower prices with Bitcoin, we're gonna also see most altcoins plunge downward. Now let's look at CoinGlass to look at the liquidation. Maybe there's something there for us to actually grab. It's very important we look at the market in different areas and see what we can absorb, make good decisions. We can see also for the past 24 hours, this short liquidation for Bitcoin. This is 45 million, Ethereum 21 million, and Solana 9 million. So if we go to, not this one, I want to see this. This is the one I want to see. Let's see. Okay, this is the one I want to see. Now, looking at these guys, you can see here that there is this yellow, area here. Yellowish. I'm able to say it now. Yellowish area. Yeah, is around $43,957. There's huge, liquidation. There's huge. This is a huge area of liquidation. At 43,950. So it's like I'm tired, guys. I'm not able to speak right now, but I just have to do this for you guys to see the different areas for Bitcoin, so that we all can be ready to make some profit from this market. Now we can see that from 44,000 or $40,957, we can expect, this. We can expect price to go to that zone, or maybe price can go to 43,0990. And this area is the area I mentioned before, guys, that we can see price go there. This is the area. Let me go back and show you guys with Bitcoin this area. And I think this area was around. Let me go back to show you guys this area on the chart. I think I mentioned this already. Yeah, and this area should be around the value area high. Yeah, this should be around the value area high. This is gonna be 43,000. Yeah, this is gonna be, and price is sitting just there right now as we speak at the value area high. So if price break that level, then we're gonna see price make its way. Let's go back to this level here and see where we can expect price to go. If price break that level, then I think the area where we can see price go to is around 41,000, 41,620. So it's in between this 42,000 area that I mentioned, but this is the area, guys, that we can see price move towards, the next 3 days. So you gotta be ready for what might happen. Like if price is gonna break above, then you know that the target is gonna be around $45,000 or $46,000, right? But if price break below, and grab this liquidity here, then we're gonna see price go right down back to 41,000, or if possible maybe 40,000. But this is the area that we can expect price to move towards. So I think this is it. It's 30 minutes already. I'm not gonna go above 30 minutes today. I want it to be always 30 minutes, at least, at most 30 minutes, then at least 20 minutes, so that some other people can come here and watch later on. All right, guys, this is the alphas for today. Hopefully, I wasn't that boring. It's like I don't have that much energy today to or you can understand. Not every day is not the same. There are days that you're gonna be pumped, and there are They're gonna be like, oh, maybe like you're not like that energetic. But of course, I always enjoy being here, sharing this with you, doing analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins out there. I love crypto. I love doing this. This is who I am. This is part of me. Trying to help people always out there to make better decisions. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Hopefully, you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have shared the video. If you haven't done that, then do so right now. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, same time.